Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're talking about safety, personal safety. Here's a PAPASAFETY pepper gel spray with personal alarm. That's a tongue twister there. All right, so be testing this out. Pepper spray is no joke. It has some instructions here. Has little lanyards. You can put this on your keychain. Nice bright pink color there. Okay friends, here we are outside. Got this switch on the left hand side that's going to be on position. So if someone's giving me some trouble, flip up your little thing and press down hard. That's going to set up the alarm. Okay, so the effective distance looks to be right about 10 feet maybe. Maybe a little bit closer. So it's sprayed out there pretty good. I actually want to get a little bit on my hand just to see how potent this stuff is. So looks like I dripped some on my hand there. Definitely don't want to get this in my eyes, but okay. Got some on my hand there. It smells like bubble gum actually. It's not really burning my hand at all. These are designed to get like in mucous membranes or whatever. And it's kind of like a gel stuff. But this isn't, yeah, it smells like bubble gum. Anyways, so there it is, my friends, sprayed out pretty good. You want to aim obviously for people's eyes, get that in the eye, and then it's really not a lot of fun.